Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to upload files in ClickUp. This is an essential feature for keeping all your project documents, images, and important files organized right alongside your tasks. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main ClickUp workspace where all your projects and tasks live. Once you're logged in, look at your left-hand panel where you'll see various navigation options. Find the section labeled Spaces and click on it. Spaces are essentially containers for organizing different projects or teams within ClickUp, so you'll need to select the specific space where your task is located. Click on the space you want to work in. Now that you're in your chosen space, you'll see a list of tasks and folders. Browse through until you find the specific task you want to attach a file to, then click on it. This will open up the task details view, which is where all the magic happens for managing individual tasks. Once the task is open, scroll down through the task details. You're looking for a section called Attachments. This is where all files related to this particular task are stored, making it easy for team members to access everything they need in one place. Keep scrolling until you spot this section. In the Attachments section, you'll notice an underlined text that says Upload. This is your gateway to adding files to this task. Go ahead and click on that underlined text. It's designed to stand out so you can quickly add files whenever needed. After clicking Upload, a small menu will appear with different options for how you want to add files. From this menu, click on Upload File. This option allows you to select files directly from your computer's storage, which is the most straightforward way to attach documents, images, or any other file types to your task. Finally, a file browser window will open up showing all the folders and files on your computer. Navigate to where your desired file is stored, click on it to select it, and then confirm your selection. The file will now upload to your ClickUp task and appear in the Attachments section for everyone with access to view and download. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a file to your ClickUp task, keeping all your important documents organized and accessible right where you need them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.